How to deny Facebook access to your videos. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like if the video helps. Now let's head to the video. So first of all, to make sure you are able to access Facebook and make sure videos are not able to access your Facebook, you have to not open the Facebook app, you have to open your settings app. Once you open your settings app, you have to go and search for Facebook. Once you open the Facebook app, here you will find multiple options. You have to click on permissions and you have to scroll down, and here you will find an option of photos and videos. You have to click on that and you have to make sure it has been put on don't allow. So basically you're not allowing any access. You don't directly need to go to the app and deny access. Once you do it through your settings, Facebook will have no access to your videos. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.